if you're looking for an affordable electric dirt bike, the Anyland Rev Pro might have caught your attention. But is it actually worth your money? After checking out its features, I'd say the Rev Pro offers a pretty solid package for beginner and intermediate riders. It comes with a powerful electric motor that delivers quick acceleration, making trail rides and off-road adventures surprisingly fun. The battery range is decent for casual riding, and since it's electric, you don't have to worry about fuel costs or engine maintenance. One thing I like is its lightweight design, which makes it easier to handle compared to many traditional dirt bikes. The suspension also does a respectable job absorbing bumps on rough terrain. That said, it's not perfect. More experienced riders may find the top speed and overall power a bit limited compared to premium electric dirt bikes. Build quality is good for the price, but it doesn't quite match higher-end competitors. Overall, if you're a beginner, a younger rider, or simply want an affordable electric dirt bike for recreational use, the Anyland Rev Pro is definitely worth considering.